Nazi umthetho wama-exponents wesi-4 manje. Wona uthi if ngimultiply iy'namba eziwu-2 ziphakathi kwama-brackets and they are raised to the same power zombili, ngingayihlukanisa like that zombili zibe to the same power ngisusela ama-brackets. Na-ke ngifuna-ke uku-explain-a. Ake siqale ngala example. U-3 times 4 kuma-brackets to the second power. Leya nto isitshela ukuthi singasho ukuthi 3 to the power 2, singasho futhi ukuthi 4 to multiplied by 4 to the power 2. 3 to the power 2 9, 4 to the power 2 16. Mawushaya i-calculator yakho lapho ungakwazi ukwenza ngekhanda lo akusihlazi. 9 times 16 144. Asibuye ngapha-ke manje. Sivele singayihlukanisi like that. Sesi 3 times 4 phuma u-12. Bese cancel sithi 12 ke sewonke to the power 2. Phuma futhi 144. In words ke kusho ukuthi if known numbers ngeke uzazi zombili lezi ayinamba have the same power, they can be multiplied first, then kuyikhani zikhushulwa to leyo power. But uma ungazazi lezo y'namba njengalezi uyishiya ihlukene like that. Yeah. Uma uzazi ifana then shaya kanjena. Okay. Ngiyathemba kuya-understand-eka lo. Sengizogcina-ke ngelesini yokugcina ngomthetho wesi-5 bese ngiya-summarize. Okay, bye bye.